Okay, guys, so this is Christmas here.
I wouldn't film that. I cannot wait for this.
You don't even know what it is.
I do.
What the crap? What the crap?
Huggies.
It's something in the box thing.
Oh. I'm just trying to say, what the crap, guys?
Got in there.
Guys, I'm sorry I had to see that.
Camera now so you can do something.
I know, I'm just trying to do my best.
Alright. Now you're good.
I want to remember this Christmas the rest of my life.
I think that woman's making noise, ain't it?
Okay, what's in here?
Oh, $25. And plus another 20.
Oh, it's Gracie's gifts.
What else?
You get your shirt?
$45 and all.
Where's the
Dig in.
Oh, yay, some socks. Thanks.
Pretty.
What is that? What is it? Is that a Mickey Mouse castle?
Socks.
No, what was in there?
Socks.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's the biggest one, Bill.
You gotta get the big one first. Come over here until you open it.
Look, how do you can work?
Oh,
You
yeah.
gonna help him open it?
Hey, Gracie, going. What? You lied. I think you did.
Oh, you getting that one out too? I want to say that.
Yes!
Can you pick it up?
Can't pick it up, but I got it. Oh, yes!
Now open your.
No.
Now.
Look what I got. What could I have got? I wanted this forever.
Now open up this.
Oh, Grace got her shoes.
What you want?
Save that for Santa. Got in there, got it.
Santa brought her wagon. Where's your wagon?
Right there.
Pretty.
You like your shoes, Gracie?
Pizza.
Yes.
What? Game.
Black Ops 1 and 2.
Right here. Here's your camera. You shut it off.
I'm not sure at all.
Alright, are we done? Good deal.
I'm hook up my Xbox.
All the stuff didn't come up as much, so that's the reason why I gave you $25. Did you look at your shirt?
Yeah. It says pretty pink, but bowling camouflage, something like that.
Guys, let me hug
Move
Mom.
out of the way, people, so I can get back here.
Get a garbage bag.
Quit.
Thank you so much. I know you give me Xbox.
You better.
Wait, I'm trying to get out here. I hear my bathroom.
You're welcome.
Hold on, my box.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
You better hug Daddy, Gracie.
You're welcome, little sweetheart.
Well, guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a good year.
You like your presents?
Well, this is DD2 for real, and goodbye.